Meaning of heartening.
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 Heartening. The word heartening means to fill someone with courage, hope, or confidence. It implies a positive and uplifting effect on a person's emotions or mindset. When something is heartening, it can inspire optimism and motivation, and can help to overcome feelings of discouragement or despondency. It gives a sense of comfort and reassurance, making people believe that things will get better. Overall, the impact of something heartening is to uplift the spirit and encourage people to persevere through adversity with renewed vigor and determination.